see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning guys, nakapag-walking pala ako today. And yung suot kong jumper, originally yung suot ko kanina paglabas ko ay yung akin. Kaso nakapag-walk na yata ako lampas dyan sa kapitbahay namin. Yung tagos ng hangin, sobrang lamig. So, ang nakuha ko na lang ay yung kay dyan. Ito sinuot ko kasi ayan, fleece siya. Para hindi ako lamigin kanina. And nakapag-walk ako ng 7.20 kilometers. Then 10,329 steps. Sana sunod-sunod na tong aking pag-walking. Sobrang haba nito. Yung napamili namin ni Sak na towels. So labang ko yun. Yun ang aking agenda today. And yung gabi na ba? Di ba nabanggit ko na, dapat lalabang ko to nung kahapon ba? O nung nabili namin. Hindi ko nalabang kasi wala ng oras. May pinuntan ata kami. Basta. So ngayon ko na lang siya labhan. Tanggalin ko lang yung eto. Tapos gagamitin natin yung Tide. Naamoy ko na yung Tide. Ako na talaga nagdalang Tide. Ang bango. Parang walang sabon dito sa Australia. Iba din kasi yung yung laban ni Mama. Sobrang bango. Parang ang linis-linis. Washing din naman yun. Pero, pag puti kasi, binababad ni Mama. Si Oli nga, gulat na gulat siya dun sa puti niya. Ang puti-puti. So, ang bango-bango. Hindi ako nagdalang may dala pa rin akong downy pala. Konti lang kasi sabi ko baka matapon. Patay tayo. Gawin natin ito. In fairness, maganda naman. Ito, first time natin gagamit ng Kmart na towels. So, try natin kung okay. Mayroon akong binili kaso nung nag-holiday kami, may mga binili ako na towels din. Pero, tinago muna namin. Tinago. Nasa shed. So, ito na lang. Mura lang naman to eh. Para marami tayong towels. $12 lang to. Tapos, mayroon 5. Yung dalawa dito, $5. Yung kay Sak, pinili niya $5. Sabi niyo naman yan si Sak. Kung saan siya makakamura, doon siya. Kasi sabi niya, towels lang yan, ma'am. You're gonna just, drop Kuya, golf. See you, yeah. Good luck. May golf pala si Kuya.
So what we're gonna do
What?
is
Come here. Suot niya na yung bago niyang, never niya nasuot na damit. Did you remove the tag?
yeah, that's it.
Dad did. What are you trying to say?
That we're gonna get the horse food.
No, galing na. No, Daddy already went to the mount to get the horse food. And then
We're gonna
some
put it-
bean to put the food for the horse.
Yes.
And then we're going to the farm
Yes.
to water the plants.
Yes.
And
And do the horse food.
yeah, do the horse food kasi yung horse darating sa farm for the first time sa Sunday. And then sa Saturday yung isa. So, yeah. I'm
Sunday the
excited.
horse is coming.
No, Saturday there's one. And then Sunday there's another one.
Yes.
Yes, so Daddy will be busy. Nagnap lang si Jan after fishing, diretso agad siya sa mount to get the food for the horse and then bin. Hindi siya, actually parang container siya na lalagyan ng food ng horse. Then nagnap siya. Pag uwi niya, nagnap. And then, yun na. And then si Sa kanina, hindi ko yata na vlog, inayos na yung mga notebook niya, nilagyan niya na ng cover, and then nilagay niya na yung mga subjects. Kasi every notebook nila may pages, like 48 pages, 50 pages. So, naka-indicate doon sa notes na yung 58 pages, for example lang to ha, 58 pages math, 38 pages English, tapos blah blah ganon. So, natapos na ni Zach. Kung sinampay ko na tuyo na yun. And then yung clothing line namin, sira. Nag-rust yung yung poste kasi metal siya, nag-rust dito. So nabali siya. So, wala na, weak na yung pundasyon. Off to the farm. Gamit ko na yung hat. Hindi ko lang linagay yung mayroon siyang garter dito. Baka mamaya ilagay ko kasi baka lipa rin. Gusto ko rin sana kay Holly kasi malaki sa kanya. Dala ko yung laptop kasi hahatiin ko yung vlog. 1 hour and 5 minutes yung vlog. Sobrang haba na yun. So after ko ma-upload ko agad-agad. So same day pa rin yung mapapanood. Pasensya na. Ayan na. Ito yung binili dyan na food para sa horse. Ayan. May inaayam pa pala. Dami pala yun. Where are you going, Zach? What are you doing there?
Let's go and get the tractor and put some hay in there.
Okay.
Wait, Molly,
I'm gonna
open it.
come.
No, you can't come.
I'm gonna walk. Okay. Can I come? Do we have no? We don't have snakes here. No, we don't. Yeah. What's this for? Huh? Wait, wait for me. Uh-huh. Where are you going on? Are you going on?
And then we're going to get the hay there, then we're going to put it there.
Okay, pick me up. Okay. I-pick up tayo ni Zach. Atid niya lang muna si Johnny Boy doon kasi medyo malayo-layo. Hi, cows! Lakad na lang tayo para more steps for today. Zach, it's alright. I'm just gonna walk. Gusto pa naman yan ni Zach, isakay tayo. Ang dry ng grass. Di ba naalala nyo? Talahib dito. Ayan. Pero doon kung saan kinat yung grass, yung ginawang hay, medyo green at saka medyo mahaba kasi nga hindi naman na pupunta or nagagawi pa ata dun yung mga baka. Ayan, kuha siya ng hay. Langaw. Daming langaw. There's a lots of flies.
Huh?
Lots of flies. Baba, don't open your mouth. There's a lot of flies. Oh, flies. Pupunta sila dun sa dulo. Dun, sa may maliit na shed. Ang layo. Ayan na siya. Kinuha niya yung tractor. Kasi nga, kukuha siya ng hay para sa ating mga baka. Gusto ko yung sasara ng gate. Baba, make sure you don't touch the wire, okay? That's live, the wire. No, no. Oh yeah, where you going? Okay, just wait. Yeah, I will. Oh, you're so careful! Si Oli nag-enjoy na sa ano. Sa tractor. Ang galing ni Zach. Ayan na yung isang hay. Nilagay niya na doon. Dito wala na. Siguro papapasukin niya dito yung mga baka. Para makain din yung mga grass dito. Ano na, kamusta kayo dyan? Andun sila. Ayan na yung tatlo. Where? That one. Huh? I wanna go. You got you got where? Okay, I'm gonna walk here. Okay, just go with daddy na lang, baby. Huh? What's that bin there? What's that for? Huh? Who and we? For what? But no, this one. What kind? What do you put there? Oh. Yeah, alright. Careful, Saka. Careful. Oh, wait, Saka. Careful because mine.
Your camera? This far?
No. Yeah, like
Nah.
no, but sama.
Hold on. Hold on, hold on.
Go back there now. I'm gonna do that one.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Ready?
No, Zach, because I'm at full Zach. Zach, no.
Nah, it'll blow up.
Put the phone in it.
Nasa darahin na yung
Where the hell is it?
ano, yung four-wheeler dito. Ay, naku, si Sakiri. No, sakit ng
No,
leeg
I
ko.
need a red one.
The
like
red
that.
one. Why? How many of these? 3?
I need 4.
Why
I've got
4?
3. I need one more for the feed, and that big one goes in the big one.
Well, what? Doesn't matter. Can you just paint it? Or?
No, he needs 4 because
I'm
1, 2,
missing
3, 4.
one, Zach.
He's
I'm
missing
very
1.
Mom, the plant.
Oh, yeah. Go get water na, Baba.
Oh, he doesn't know how to.
Didilig pa pala siya.
I'll just put the shop for a shop.
What you gonna do there, Han?
That shop.
Yeah. Ah, wait! Sak! Get my bag! Don't drop na ka. Okay na, thank you. Oh, nag-water na si Sak ng plants. Thank you, Saki boy.
Go fill it up one time. Go fill them up. One more.
What kind of food is that, Han? Shark. Made what? What? Made of what, Han?
Oh, cheap as chips. So it's cheap. It's like chips. Dad, you want to put the knife back? Dad?
It looks like a lot, Han.
Huh?
Looks like a lot. You still have more.
You'll use it.
How often you gonna feed? Every day? Twice a day.
Right, what are the horses? Are they coming into the paddock?
On Sunday. Apples? Yeah.
Who do you think you are?
No, I don't.
Yeah. No, it's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. What is?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
I want to say it. Where'd you get them fish from?
Who don't?
That was the only 2 left. 'Cause I knew I had one in. I'm not.
Wait, so now, how's the horse going to train?
It's not.
It's just gonna stand there, so resting. What's happening? Ah, for the kitchen. Okay, uwi na kami guys. Yun na yung job dito. Tapos na. So manually pinupull out, pinupull yung yung chain ng rollers para masara kasi nga wala pang kuryente dito. Minsan ginagamit din ni Jan yung ano ba to? Yung malit natin na generator. Okay. Done na dito. Magluluto na ako. Chicken na lang ang lutuin ko kasi madali. Si Kuya mamaya pa 'yun.
Hi, Mom.
Ayan, luto na tayo ng
Dinner.
chicken.
Can I try to do that?
No, you might. They,
I've done that before.
yeah, but I had to rush cooking about it's 5 o'clock.
It is
Meron tayong carrots, capsicum, potatoes.
Potatoes.
Baba, can you put this all empty bottles, please?
I don't know where it's there, but it's okay. This one stays here. Is this one?
Yeah, that's mine.
No. Yeah.
So, eto yung lulutuin natin, chicken. Kasi mas madaling palambutin. No, there's bone. Alam ko, hindi sila magiging masaya kasi ayaw nilang may buto. Ewan ko ba dito sa aking pamilya, ayaw nila yung buto-buto. Parang nasisira yung mood nila pag sila ng buto. Tayo, di ba, yun yung parang, ako kasi parang, pag may buto, parang fulfilling siya sa akin. Sila, ganun na sis Jan, ganun din. What's this? Mga siguro sila sanay. Tayo kasi, well, ako sanay. And yun talagang favorite part ko, buto-buto. Si Jan bumalik sa farm, nahanap niya yung hinahanap niyang bin. Nandun lang sa shed niya. 4 na beses siya pabalik-balik doon, dito sa shed namin, dito sa labas. 4 na beses siya pabalik-balik. Thank you.
Welcome.
And then, pagdating namin, tumayo lang siya doon nakatingin. Nandun lang sa harapan niya, natakpan ng kanyang, what was the cover for the bin?
What bin?
The red bin that Daddy been looking?
It was just a normal bin. Red
I don't
bin.
know what's on top of it because Daddy couldn't find it.
What's it called? Beach stuff.
The suit, okay.
Rashes.
Rashes, okay. So, nandun sa top na yun. Kaya hindi niya mahanap-hanap. Kasi hindi niya nilift. Kasi red yun.
But it
Red
was black at the bottom.
Yeah, black in the bottom. So, akala niya, kasi meron din siya mga gamit niya na itim yung mga containers. So, ang iniisip niya lang red. Wala siya makitang red. Hindi niya alam. Natakpan niya pala. Natabunan niya ng mga wetsuit ng mga bata. Ipa-fry ko lang saglit yung ating carrots. Then, yung potatoes para malambot na. Alam niyo na to. Chicken afritada. Then, gusto sa amin sa pork afritada. Eh, ang gusto kong gawin doon is puchero. Masarap kasi ang puchero. May saging ako dyan. Tapos may cabbage. Yun ang ipapaano ko sa kanya. Ang gagawin ko sa kanya. Tapos dito sa chicken, afritada. Si Jan gustong-gusto niya rin ang puchero. Etong chicken, tatapyasan ko ng mga buto-buto. Kasi for sure ako, hindi sila magiging masaya pag may buto yung chicken nila. And, gamit tayo pa ng garlic. Lagay ko na dito. Lakas ng TV ko. Chicken. Pinapalambot ko na lang siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng tomato paste and etong diced Italian na tomatoes. Ayan. Chunk siya. Hindi ako naglagay ng tubig. Nagtubig kasi yung chicken pag Yung sinusutay ko siya. Tapos, naglagay lang tayo nito. And then, ayan na. Ang dami ng sabaw. Palambot na lang to. Naglagay na rin akong patis tsaka paminta. Luto na rin yung kanin. 7 o'clock na, guys. Late na ang dinner ni Johnny Boy. 6 o'clock dapat. Pumunta kasi tayo ng farm. So, nag-start ako magluto mga, ano na, 5:10, 5:20. So, pakainin ko na sila. Si Kuya gutom na din. Si Sak. Lahat na sila gutom. Ako, nagluto na ako ng aking shirataki rice. Meron pa akong tira. Yung dito sa bahay, meron pa akong tira. So, butin ko muna to. Kasi may binili rin ako shirataki rice sa Pinas. Dinala ko. Sige, pakainin ko muna sila. So, ayan na yung dinner nila. Pinapalamig ko lang kasi mainit pa. And yung shirataki rice ko, ayan. So, pag lumamig na to, tawagin ko na sila. Hot. Kailangan kong bumili ng bagong
Are these new?
spoon kasi malaki yung spoon.
It's not hard. Is this cooked?
Yeah.
Of course.
Ano yan? Quick, do this, yeah? Because you're so, like, yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, well, now.
Oh, that's so nice. I don't want to take L's.
Have a look at that shocking.
Maya-maya na akong kain. Ayan na yung rice ko. Luto na.
So we're going beach tomorrow, Dad.
Yeah.
For Barbie. It's 42 on
Bukas nag-beach kami. Tapos na akong kumain. Yan. Hindi ko naubos yung ating rice kasi kumain ako ng patatas. Tapos carrots. So, yan yung tirang rice. Pag alas 8 na, ang taas pa ng sikat ng araw sa labas.
I'm still like it before. Gosh.
I am an asteroid. I'm soaring through the sky. He yells, but I ignore. I always start the fight. I say it dims my light.
That's good.
I'm
That's
in
good.
fire lately.
Oh.
We're about to collide, but he still calls me
oh.
baby. I haven't played nice, yet he still wants me.
Oh.
I give him hell, but heaven sent him. Calm down, there's no more second guessing. Coming to my senses, it's been here all along.
Yeah, babe! In front of you, honey! Ano ka ba? Let Holly have a try! Gusto niyo mouth si Daddy.
I crumble in the quiet, but he knows how to hold me. I burn to dim pride. He stays right beside me. He sees through all my flames. When I try to hide it, I crash, I break, I scream. But I still drive me crazy. I haven't played nice, yet he still wants me. I give him hell, but heaven sent him. Calm down, there's no more second
Ano pa, babe?
coming to my senses. He's been here all along, and yeah, he's all mine. Right here where I left
Ah.
not taking any chances. Coming in hot, asteroid. Calm down, there's no more second guessing. Coming to my senses, it's been here all along.
Wow.
He's all mine, right here where I left him. Not taking
Good job, Holly.
chances. Coming in hot, asteroid.
Ay!